This is Ogun State, Nigeria. Ilaro, to be precise. Packing, cutting, and loading cassava. Today is cassava harvesting in my garden. So just make sure you don't skip any part of this video and watch to the end to see every aspect of the job for today. Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. This is Home Hacks, the channel where we bring you information about horticulture, farming, and organic drinks. Now today is time for harvesting cassava. The cassava that has been planted since June last year, and work has started harvesting, uprooting, packing, cutting, and loading cassava. The work is progressing. Just follow me as we see what is happening on the farm. So you can see plenty of cassava being packed, being uprooted. See the young men here, they are working very hard, tireless. Yes, the work is in progress. Very rich land. Very large ones right here, and then the smaller ones also being packed together into the bags. This is how they pack cassava in these parts of Nigeria, into the bags. The bag is the measurement for selling it. Rather than using a big van or truck to load them out of the farm, they use these sacks to load them, carefully packing them into the sack so that it's going to be a measurement, not in terms of weight, but in terms of volume. That is how we see it in these parts of Nigeria. Work is still in progress. Uprooting and cutting, packing. I am also involved. Doing the cutting, packing, moving them out of the farm. Young men that pack them into sacks. So they are loading it, tightening it with rubbers, inner tube rubber as rope. So this measurement is 1.5 bag that is on top of the motorcycle. That is the measurement for selling it here in Ilaro, Ogun State, Nigeria. And off it goes, away to the buyer. And the work is still on. Cassava harvesting. It's a great job, and the young men here, they are doing very well. Doing very well in the harvesting, and we are almost going to the end of the garden where we planted the cassava since last year. So after now, there will be land clearing again and cultivation of another crop on the farmland. The job is still on, as you can see. Progressing very well. Yes. And this is the last batch. This is the last set that I can find from the farm. This is the cassava harvesting, and this is the 7th bag. If this one is able to complete a bag, it will be the 7th bag in the 2 farmland. So